welcome back to the Vera Projects. Today we're having an outdoor party and it's going to be roughly hot out here. So I have this RYOBI mister fan and allows it to do mist. It runs 3 hours on battery. You're able to place a battery in here, it'll run for 3 hours. Another cool thing you could do is you can hook up your water hose here, or you can place this on top of a bucket and this will sit in the bucket, right? So this is basically a water suction. So I have a bucket here from Home Depot. I already filled it up with water. You're able to go ahead and place that. And the cool thing about this fan is that it sits right on top of that bucket. You have the ability of going slow or fast for the fan. And the same thing with the mist. You can either do low or high. And right here you can see where the two misters are. So if I go ahead and turn this on, I'm going to turn it on high, right? And now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the mister, the low one. You got to give it a second because it's going to pump. And I hope you can see that. And then if I wanted to get a little higher, that's higher on the misting. So overall, it's a great fan if you're going to be having outdoor parties or you're working out in the construction site and you need something to cool you off while you're out there. You can go ahead, fill it up with water, hook it up with water hose, or you can even take it to the beach. Whatever it is, it makes it easy for you. But at least it'll keep you cool during the summer months. Well, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time with another great review on the Vera Projects.